me now. Okay. Welcome. Let me look here. Hey guys, welcome to my vlog. So sheesh, it's so hot. Okay, I can hold it in. Yeah, welcome to my vlog. This is not where I wanted to start my vlog. I just had such a confusing morning. Like, I had planned like a whole show you what I eat, go running, and you know, like all the aesthetics that you look for in a vlog. But then I woke up and my laptop was like, not today girl, not today. So now I'm in Edenvale sitting in a hot car. I just handed my laptop in. I thought it would be like a quick fix, but it's not. It looks like I only get it in during the week. But yeah, so that's a bit disappointing. Anyway, hi guys, this is Design Simply. My name is Sena and welcome to my channel. If you are new, please hit the subscribe button. Also, I've noticed that I have so many new followers. Well, not so many, but like our family is growing, so thank you very much. Hi, it's so nice to meet you all, and yeah, I hope you guys continue to stay and support and be part of our DIY family. And to those that are not subscribed, please just make the right choice. Join us. We love you, and we don't want to sound creepy, but we do. Like, this community is the bomb. So yeah, welcome. Shucks, I'm sweating so much. It's so hot in this car. Anyway, since I'm in Edenvale, there's actually a second-hand shop that I've been wanting to check out. It's like literally around the corner from where I am, so I figured let me just take you through that and kind of make up for such a lousy morning. And also I have some So I just wanted to show you guys this new rug that my sister bought. It's so pretty, and it feels really nice. We bought it at Mr. Price Home just to try and make the space look a little bit better. But yeah, we still have like a lot of work to do. Just got home. Yeah, yesterday didn't go as planned. Do not trap yourself. and be your own clown, thinking that you can go visit your boyfriend for like an hour or two and come home the same day. That I'm tackling. I'm trying not to show too much of my room because it's a mess. But let me flip the camera. I'm going to be doing my dresser today. We're gonna switch it up. As you can see, it's a mess over here. It's literally like my dumping ground right now. I mean, we have my roll on, we have a box, we have this cute little cactus planter, and a whole bunch of other things. So yeah, I just want to like tackle this today. On my dresser right now, and I'm about to use wood filler for like the first time ever. It smells nice. I like really strong potent smells, like your alcohols. I really like that. Ooh, smells nice. That's how it looks like. It's got like a weird, why is it? I just dropped it. It's leaking. Okay, anyway, so I'm gonna try use my putty knife, but I suspect I might actually end up using my hand. A bit amateur, not even a bit, yeah, it's like super amateur hour. From the paint shops. I wanted to go to Bonnie's paint store because that's where I got my sample from, but they close on Sundays. I had no idea. I thought they closed early on Sundays, but I didn't know that they like closed. So I ended up going to Greenside Paint and Hardware store. Yo, they're so expensive. They're so expensive. I got 1 liter for like over 200 rand. I was so shocked, but also at the same time, I just want to like get this over and done with. So I was like, okay, I'll pay for it. Yeah, so this 1 liter better go a long way. Guy was like, no, we import our paint and we buy everything in dollars, so yeah, it's super high quality and that's why it's so expensive. And I was like, sure. How this